మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కొరకు ఉమేష్ చంద్ర పోలీస్ అకాడమీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు ప్రెస్ ద బెల్ ఐకాన్.
Hi friends, this is Sudhir Kumar. First of all, welcome to Umesh Chandra Police Academy YouTube channel. So thanks for being here. So now let us get into new model in the topic clocks. So we have faulty clocks in the model. This is the something very important. So what they are saying in the question, if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand in every 64 minutes, how much time does a clock gain or loss in a day? So these type of questions is very important for this is useful for it could be railways, and it could be useful for SA constable and banking, and also and UPSC examinations and public service commission examinations, and it could be wherever the whatever the examination. This model is the very important for the all competitive examinations. So what they are saying, first of all, if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand in every 64 minutes, how much time does a clock gain or loss in a day? So this is the previous question. This question appeared in the examination 2016 Telangana SA Prelims, and also appeared in 2016 AP SI Mines. APSI Mines. This is something very important model on the topic clocks, in especially in faulty clocks. So these time we find these type of questions. We have a formula. So before approach the question, 65 5 by 11 minutes. This is the something important in faulty clocks or clocks solving while solving these type of questions. So 65 5 minutes is the overtaking or overlapping time of the two hands of a clock. So if the two hands of a clock in every 65 5 by 11 minutes, the coinciding time of the clock is 65 by 11 minutes. This is the correct time. I will tell this is correct time, and also tell the correct clock. And if the less than 65 5 by 11 minutes, if takes less than 65 5 by 11 minutes, this is the wrong clock, and also tell this is the gaining clock. And if suppose greater than 65 5 by 11 minutes, greater than 65 5 by 11 minutes, I will tell this is the wrong clock, and also closing clock. So this is something important. 65 5 by 11 minutes is the very important value for the solving. So these kind of questions. So what is the 65 5 by 11? So in every 65 5 by 11 minutes, the two hands of a clock coincides in every 65 5 by 11 minutes. If the clock is if in the clock the two hands of a clock coincide every 65 5 by 11 minutes, if suppose I will be tell this is the correct clock, and less than the 65 5 by 11 minutes, the clock is wrong clock, and also it is gaining clock. And if the clock is in the clock, the two hands of a clock are greater than 65 by 11 minutes, this is a wrong clock, and also tell the losing clock. So if suppose in 65 5 by 11 minutes overtaking timing, so difference between 64 and 65, how much time we have? So in a day, means we have 60 hours and 24 hours by 64 minutes. If suppose in difference between 65 and 5 5 by 11 minus 64 and 24 hours, and each every hour we have 60 minutes by 64. So 65, and the difference between 65 and 64 is 1. So and we have 5 by 11. So 5 by 11 and into 60 into 24, 60 into 24 by 64. 11 into 1, so 11 ones are 11. So 11 ones are 11 plus 5, 16 by 11, and into 60 into 24 is nothing but, so right. So 16 by 11, 60 into 24, it will be 64, 16, 4s are 64, so 4 6 are 24. 66 are, it will be 360 by 11. So we have 360 by 11. So we can simply divide this value with 11. So 11 3s are 33 and 3 0, 11 2s are 22 and we have remainder 8. So mixed fraction is, it could be 32 8 by 11. So we have answer is 32 8 by 11 minutes gain. 32 8 by 11 minutes gain. So these kind of questions we solve the very simple formula 65 5 by 11 minutes minus 64, 60 into 24 by 64. What is the 64? So they are saying in the question, if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand in every 64 minutes, how much time does a clock gain in a loss? Gain or loss in a day. So in a day means 24 hours. So every hour contains 60 minutes. So 64 is the overtaking time of the losing clock or gaining clock. So a faulty clock or faulty clock. So whether it is a gain or loss, so 65, 60, 65 and 64. So we have the plus value. So what is the difference between 65 and 64? So 1. So this is the plus value. So this reason we definitely say our answer is gaining. So 32 8 by 11 minutes is our answer. If someone asks you, what about 65 minutes? What about 65 minutes? So we have formula. So that is 65 5 by 11 minutes minus x into 60 into 24 by x. According to this question, x value is 65. According to this question, x value is 65. So in 65 minutes, the minute hands of the two hands of a clock overtakes the and are coincide the clock. So if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand in 65 minutes, so how many minutes we are gain or lose in the clocks? Okay, so we substitute the value in this x value. So 65 5 by 11 minutes minus x means 65 and into 60 into 24 by x. So 60 into 24 by, so we have x is I have 65 by 65. So right, what is the difference between 65 and 65? So something 0. So 5 by 11. So 5 by 11 into 60 into 24. 60 into 24 by 65. Okay. So right, 5 13s are 65. Next so 60 into 24. 60 into 24 and it is 1440 by, so 11 into 13 it will be 143. Right. So 1440 by 143, it would be 143 tens are 1430. Okay. So we have remainder 10. So what would be the mixed fraction 10 by 143 minutes. 10 by 143 minutes. So suppose if the 5 by 11 value is the plus, our answer is gain. If suppose 5 by 11 value it is negative, our answer is loss. So in this question 5 by 11 is a positive value. So for this reason our answer is 10 by 143 minutes gaining is our answer. Okay. So it is simple way to approach these kind of questions. So this is something important to solving the models, these kind of questions on the topic clocks. If suppose question is, if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand in every 66 minutes, how much time does a clock gain or loss in a day? So we have a formula 65 5 by 11 minus x 60 into 24 by x is here. See here friends, x value is a 66. So substitute the value of x. So 65 5 by 11 minus 66 and 60 into 24 by 66. Okay, so what is the difference between 65 and 66? So it will be minus 1 5 by 11. It will be minus 1 5 by 11 into 60 into 24 by 66. 60 into 24 by 66. So 11 into minus 1 minus 11 plus 5. It would be 6 by 11 into 60 into 24 by 66. 60 into 24 by 66. Okay. So see here once. సో 11 ones are 11 minus 11. సో ఇక్కడ రైట్ 11 ones are 11, 11 minus 11 plus 5. It would be minus 6. Right, 6 by 11 into 60 into 24 by 66. 6 11s are 66. 60 into 24 is nothing but 1440. 1440 by 11 into 11. So 11 square is 121. So 1440 by 121. So 121 ones are 121. So what is the remaining value? 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 0. So 121 twos are, so it can double it 2 and 2, 4 and 2. So it is the highest value of 230. So 121 ones are 121. What we have remainder? So 10 minus 1, 9. Right, 22, 12, 109. So 11 109 by 121 is our answer. 11 109 by 121 minutes. This is something gain or loss. How do we decide? We have negative value. So we confidently say our answer is 11 109 by 121 is our losing time, loss. So our answer is we can definitely say 11 109 121 by 121 minutes loss. This is the final answer for this question. If suppose the question is, if the minute hand of a clock overtakes the hour hand in every 70 minutes, how much time does a clock gain or loss in a day? So we have a short formula, 65 511 minutes minus x, 60 into 24 by x. So in this question, according to question, x value is 70 minutes. Okay, so substitute the x value in this formula. So 65 511 minus 70 into 60 into 24 by 70. Okay, right, 65 minus 70, it would be minus 5 by 11. Okay, 11 5s are 55, 55 minus 5. So it would be 60 into 24 by 70. So finally 11 5s are 55, minus 55 plus 5, 50 by 11. So 50 by 11 into 60 into 24 by 70. 60 into 24 by 70. So right, so 0 cancel. Next 60 into 24 is 1440. So 1440 into 5. So 0420, 2 carry, 22 2 carry, and 5 ones are 5 and 7. 7200 by 77 we have. So we can divide the value of 7200 by 77. 7200 by 77. 7200 divided by 77. So 77 nines are we have. 9 sevens are 63, and 9 sevens are 63, 69, 693. So right, 77 6 are 693 we have. So what is the difference between 693 and 720? 7 and 20, 27, 270. So 77 5s are, we have 77 5s are, 7 5s are 35, and 5 7s are 35, and 3 85. So more than 270. So we take the 77 4s are, so 28, and 28 2, and 308. So if suppose the 77 4s are is not set for 270, and 77 3s are, it would be 21, and 21 22, and 21 22 231. So 77 3s are 231. So 231. So if suppose the difference between 270 and 231, 10 minus 1 is 9. Right, next 26 minus 339. So if the answer is 6339 by 77 minutes. So if we have negative sign, so we confidently say our answer is 6339 by 77 minutes loss. We can confidently say our answer is 6339 by 77 minutes loss is our answer. So these type of questions is very important for all competitive examinations, and this formula is the very simplest way these type of while solving these type of questions. Okay, see friends, thanks for being here, thanks for watching video. రైట్, ఇక్కడ ఉమేష్ చంద్ర పోలీస్ అకాడమీ హైదరాబాద్ దిల్షునార్లో ఉన్నటువంటి అకాడమీలో సో మనకి ఫిబ్రవరి 1 నుంచి బోత్ తెలుగు మీడియం అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం బ్యాచెస్ అనేవి స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఎవరైతే మనకి ఎస్ఐ కానిస్టేబుల్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ ఉన్నారో సో అందరూ వచ్చి సో మాతో జాయిన్ అయినట్లయితే సో మీ సక్సెస్ అనేది తొందరగా రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు ఉమేష్ చంద్ర పోలీస్ అకాడమీలో ఫిబ్రవరి 1 న్యూ బ్యాచ్కి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం తెలుగు మీడియంకి క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి కాబట్టి జాయిన్ అయ్యి మీ సక్సెస్ని సో చేరుకుంటారని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కొరకు ఉమేష్ చంద్ర పోలీస్ అకాడమీ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు ప్రెస్ ద బెల్ ఐకాన్.